Hi everyone! In this lesson we will learn the types and characteristics of potash fertilizer. The first is potassium chloride. The molecular formula is KCl. It contains 50 to 60% potassium oxide and about 2% sodium chloride. Its characteristics are as follows. It is a white crystal and contains pale yellow or purplish red impurities. It has little moisture absorption, but clumps appear after long-term storage. It is soluble in water and chemically neutral, physiological acid fertilizer. Key points of application. Potassium chloride is generally used as base fertilizer and top dressing, not as seed fertilizer. Base fertilizer should be applied deep into the soil layer with dense roots and applied on acid soil. Attention should be paid to the combination of lime and organic fertilizer. When top dressing, pay attention to deep and early application. The second is potassium sulfate. The molecular formula is K2SO4. Potassium sulfate contains 50% to 52% potassium sulfate. Its characteristics are as follows. It is a white crystal and pale yellow when it contains impurities. It has good physical properties. Small hygroscopicity, easy to dissolve in water. It's chemically neutral. Physiologically acidic fertilizer. Key points of application. When it is applied to calcareous soils in large quantities, attention should be paid to the application of organic fertilizer. Potassium sulfate is suitable for a variety of soils and crops, and it can be used as base fertilizer, top dressing fertilizer, seed fertilizer, and foliage top dressing. It should be applied deep when used as base and top dressing, and it should be applied early when used as top dressing. The third is plant ash. It is the ash of plant residue after burning and an important potash fertilizer resource in Chinese countryside. The composition of plant ash is complex, containing potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and various trace elements. It contains 5 to 15% potassium oxide. Its characteristics are as follows. Generally, wood ash contains more calcium, potassium, and phosphorus, while grass ash contains more silicon and less phosphorus, potassium, and calcium. The potassium in plant ash is mainly potassium carbonate, followed by potassium sulfate, and a small amount of potassium chloride, which are all soluble in water. The color is gray to gray-black. Its aqueous solution is alkaline, and it is an alkaline fertilizer. Key points of application. Plant ash can be used as base fertilizer, seed fertilizer, and top dressing, as well as seed dressing, seed cover, or foliage top dressing. As a base fertilizer, it can be applied to trenches or holes. Use 750 to 1,025 kilograms per hectare. Mix them well with wet soil to prevent wind from dispersing. For top dressing, strip application or hole application, 1% plant ash leaching solution can also be used for root spraying. In combination with the above, we should be able to accurately understand all kinds of potash fertilizer. To be familiar with its content, chemical composition, main properties, and application points are the basis to ensure the rational application of potassium fertilizer. That's all for this lesson. Thank you.